Here's how to get started with the Baseline Sections app. After you install it, we start with the main screen where you can see all our sections nicely organized based on various filters like new or popular. We suggest you start with the free sections first and unlock premium ones as you need to. Let's look at the hero sections details. On the left, we have a gallery with the design pattern from the framework and few examples of our client stores from mobile and desktop use. Use these for inspiration for your own stores. We give some directions to why and where to use a section below the gallery. Read through these benefits, features, conversion and UX UI tips to learn how to best use it. If you have questions, let us know in our community. We click on the card Add to My Sections button to add it to the list of sections you will be able to use on your store. The section is added to the My Sections page where we manage them. We choose a theme to which we want to install the section and click Add the Theme. We can now see a list of themes the section is installed to, as well as what the version is. As we constantly improve and optimize our baseline framework to bring you conversion increases, we're also updating the sections, and here's where you'll be able to get those updates. After the section is installed to the theme, we can use it in the customizer. Let's click this Customize In button. To add the section, we click on the Add Section button and search for it. All our sections have a baseline prefix, so they're easier to find. Let's choose the hero sections we installed. As this is a homepage's hero sections, we want to write a headline with USP of your brand and a short description to support it. Let's add a hero image which should show what we talk about on the left. If you need to tell more, we suggest adding 3 bullet points as blocks with other main benefits or features of your store offers. This will help the visitor to get to know you better and trust you more, which increases conversions. For the last step, make sure you add a call to action button. The main one should link to your main shop page, while the secondary one could be bestsellers, our story, or maybe a new product launch. Feel free to use the color settings to customize the sections look and feel to fit your brand. This will blend in the baseline sections with other sections you have. You can keep adding new sections in this way, and if you need ideas or want to know the optimal structure, the main Shopify app page has a View Demo Store link with our framework's conversion optimized structure. And that's how you install and use our baseline Crow Theme Sections app on your Shopify store. Don't forget to join our free community of passionate EcomStore owners just like you, where we help you grow your e-commerce store and answer any questions you may have.